Hi guys.
Okay, guys. For this day's video, we're going to make ice cream with chocolate. I guess we need milk. Of course, I want milk. Put it the milk.
Fresh milk.
Fresh milk. Now, can I mix it?
More. Yes. Wait.
More milk?
Yes.
That's all the milk we have? That's all?
We still have.
Inside.
Okay. Oh, enough. Next. This one. Nestle cream.
Sweet cream. Oops. Sweet cream. That's how it starts for Nestle cream. What's next?
The next one is
You can-
condensed milk.
You can put that in. Okay. It smells yummy. So what's next? What's next, Mom? So I need powder. Or I think it's powder. That's okay.
Talk to them.
Okay, my mom's going to put that thing we
Okay,
need.
mix it na.
Now next,
Cornstarch.
more?
Yeah. Okay, mix it na.
Mix.
Beautiful. Okay. Mix it.
I'm mixing.
Okay.
Ma, I want to drink some milk.
Finish that first.
I can drink milk now. I'm going. Ma, can I do this?
Tapos guys, isasalang na namin to ni JM. Iwan ko ba sa batang to? Gabi na ngayon, gusto pa talagang gumawa kami ng ng ice cream.
Ma, I want to mix it.
Ano yung napapanood niya sa TikTok guys? Gusto niya gayahin namin. Diyos ko dahil.
I found this on TikTok. You can make it like yourself, also with your mommy. Or you don't know how to make it. I don't know how to mix.
E paano bumaba sugar ko nito? Siyempre, tikim din ako ng tikim.
Mom,
O, kami na. Come on. Wait lang.
hi guys, look what I'm making.
So, lagyan natin ng konting vanilla.
So you have cocoa powder.
O, mix it na.
It's almost gone. It's all gone, Ma.
Yes, mix na. It's done.
The snail, it's so white, Ma. The snail. The snail, it's so white.
Ingay naman ito ni JM.
Promise, it's so white. Also, the cockroach, it's white. Because we didn't even kill it. Guess what? It stayed there. First thing we
So, ayan na guys yung texture niya.
next Chris sa ipis. I put ipis. I'm just kidding.
Okay, JM, it's ready now.
It's done. Hi guys, for this days.
For this.
So the ice cream's done. So we're going to put the cups like one by one, I think. Right?
Put it. It's not fun.
Oh, it's not enough. It's not enough, Mom. Ma, Winnie. So that's all. Yeah, that's all we need. So let's try. You can.
Sobrang sticky niya.
So it was sticky. We put too much stain. So bro. It's hard.
Spoon.
Oh,
Guys,
so basketball.
tapos patitigasin lang namin siya. Bukas, yung chocolate na imimelt namin. Tapos isasawsaw namin siya.
So.
Daming alam ni JM. Tapos itong nilagyan ko guys, itong nilagyan ko na wala kasing akong mabilan sa sa Save More ng transparent. Wala silang transparent na disposable na glass. Kaya ito lang.
I want to hold it.
Ito lang ang meron. So yan na lang binili
I want to
ko.
hold it, Mom.
So ayan. Bukas ulit.
Oh, hi guys, welcome back to our video. So we're going to put the chocolate in our ice cream from yesterday. So we're going to put the chocolate in. And I'm going to have so much fun. Okay.
Here's a chocolate milk.
This is our chocolate milk.
Milk
Milk.
with peanut on it.
Yeah, with peanut on it. It's hot. It's hot, Mama.
Yes.
So we're going to put it in.
So ito na siya guys, oh.
Yeah.
Ayan na. Tuwan-tuwa na si GM doon. Tigas na guys. Tapos,
It's going to melt.
wala. Baka aapaw. Wait lang. Buwasan natin.
This is our ice cream for this days. So my mom's putting the chocolate. I'm putting
Siya guys. Wow.
I want to taste the ice cream.
Ayan na siya.
What can I taste the ice cream? Oh, this one's.
Wow.
I want to taste it.
Okay. Tapos ganito lang guys gagawin.
Ma, I want to taste.
O ayan, pagbigyan ko na si GM, kakain na daw siya. Oh.
Yummy.
Mm.
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 Mm. Yummy. I'm eating.
Bulit. Yan yung sugar ko guys, di na naman tataas na naman siya lalo. Di na talaga nababa. Ayan. Magsaw-saw din ako ng akin.
Why did you ruin it?
Ayan siya guys. Sarap. Ayan siya. Ang laki kasi ng glass.
Let's eat together.
Move baby up here.
We're eating. I like it.
Nakakatanggal to ng bracket ng ngipin ko.
You're not supposed to eat it. You're going to win your braces. Why go braces? What braces mo?
Harap guys. Dahil mahilig kami sa ice cream. Kaya gagawa na lang kami ng sarili naming ice cream. Dami pa guys, oh.
Apo na.
Ayan, sasaw-saw pa namin.
Apo na. Apo.
Hoy!
Yeah.
Miss this JM.
I'm going to watch TV.
Sarap.
My mouth is wet because I used water to wash my mouth. That just outside, not inside. I think my teeth it's with chocolate. Pardon. Oh, amazing. So, you know, Rainbow Kingdom, my favorite. I watched before. Huh?
Put this back in the freezer.
Okay, the worker's going to put back. Uy, ooh. It's heavy.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye, Chris.
Parang hindi ko siya kayang ubusin. Ang laki niya talaga.
Okay, for this video, I'm done eating my ice cream.
Kay JM Gison, hindi na ubos.
Goodbye, Mom. I'm going to watch TV. Haha, not. Haha. Ah. Minions.
Inom na lang ako ng gamot pang guys. Baba ng sugar mamaya.
Sa Minions. Aya. Answer. Kaya. Rainbow Kingdom.
So guys, bye-bye. Ubusin ko na lang to guys. Bago bumaba yung asawa ko kasi pagagalitan ako mamaya.